What is the most valuable humanoid robot company in the world? Most people would say Tesla, but if we're talking purely about robotics, this is not true. Some of these companies already put their robots in houses and in factories, and one of them is worth $40 billion. Top 5 most valuable humanoid robot companies. Let's go. At number 5, we have Agility Robotics based in Oregon, USA. It is valued at strong $2.5 billion. Instantly recognizable by its unique backward bending legs designed for maximum stability under heavy loads. Their goal is to fully automate the world's most repetitive supply chain workflows, starting directly inside massive e-commerce fulfillment centers. Right now, backed heavily by Amazon's Industrial Innovation Fund, they have opened a RoboFab, a massive factory built to produce up to 10,000 robots a year. Digit is currently deployed inside live Amazon warehouses, picking up and moving plastic totes to automate tedious warehouse logistics. At number 4, we have a company called Apptronik, based in Texas, USA, and valued at a whopping $5.5 billion. Their flagship model is the Apollo, a rugged 5'8" humanoid build or 173 centimeters with a high payload capacity of 55 pounds or around 25 kilos. Their immediate goal is to master gross industrial manipulation tasks, focusing on moving heavy boxes, totes, and crates in manufacturing hubs. Right now, backed by a massive investment from Google and Mercedes-Benz, they're running advanced B2B pilot programs. They're deploying Apollo units directly onto Mercedes-Benz automotive assembly lines to deliver production parts, utilizing hot swappable batteries to guarantee maximum operational uptime without long charging breaks. At number 3, we have hyper-aggressive, price-cutter Unitree Robotics, based in Hangzhou, China, with the valuation of $6.2 billion. Their flagship model is Unitree G1, a compact humanoid that can literally sprint, perform backflips, and completely fold itself into a backpack. Their goal is absolutely global market saturation through ultra low cost, high-speed mass manufacturing. Right now, they have officially cleared their stock market IPO and completely dominating global shipments, having shipped over 5,500 humanoids. Unlike anyone else on the list, they are actively taking credit cards on their website and shipping G1 to global developers for a jaw-dropping base price of just $16,000. At number 2, we have Neura Robotics, based at Metzingen, Germany, with a valuation of $7 billion. Their flagship model is Ford NE1, Europe's most advanced cognitive humanoid robot. Their goal is to bridge the gap between industrial force and human-safe interaction by embedding advanced multimodal sensors into every single mechanical joint. Right now, after securing a massive capital injection backed by Qualcomm and Nvidia, they're spinning up their factory lines to build 6,000 humanoids this year. They're deploying these robots straight onto European electronics lines, proving that a robot can see, hear, feel the environment well enough to work directly alongside humans without any protective safety cages. And at absolute top of the food chain, coming in at number 1, we have Figure AI, based at Sunnyvale, California, United States, rocking at mind-blowing $39 billion valuation. Their flagship model is the brand new Figure 03, which features ultra advanced dexterity, including hands that can detect a microscopic 3-gram touch. Their corporate goal is to completely eliminate labor storages by building in a general purpose humanoid that can think, talk, and handle any human task seamlessly. Right now, they're deploying these models directly into BMW manufacturing plants to autonomously move heavy sheet metal utilizing their custom Helix AI platform. It is an exclusive enterprise play backed by Jeff Bezos and OpenAI, aimed at dominating massive factory logistics worldwide before moving into home consumer spaces. Look, it's all fun and games, but hopefully at least a few of these companies deliver on their promises, and we can see their actual hardware perform in the real world, because a multi-billion valuation does not mean a lot unless your product is on the market and it works. What do you guys think? Are these companies overpriced? Or maybe we just don't see what the investors see. Subscribe for all fresh and exciting news about robotics. Tony offline.